Look at how the decimal placement shifted from the original to where it is in your solution. Then look at the number of zeros in the power of 10. For instance, the first row, nothing changed because any number times 1 equals itself. But in the second row, the decimal shifted from 28.6 to simply be 286. And there was 1 zero in the power of 10. In the next row, the answer was 2,860. The decimal shifted 2 places from where it originally was, and there were 2 zeros in the power of 10. In the last row, the product was 28,600. The decimal had shifted 3 places, and there were 3 zeros in the power of 10. Notice anything here? If you are multiplying with powers of 10, there is a shortcut. When you multiply by a power of 10, the decimal point moves to the right, the same number of places as however many zeros are in that power. So it moved 1 place when there was 1 zero, and 2 places when there were 2, and it always moved to the right because we were multiplying. Here are some more examples. If you had 8.4 times 100, there's no need for long scratch work and there's no need for a calculator. The original value that you started with was 8.4. Since there are 2 zeros in 100, the first zero, I'm going to move the decimal to the right 1 spot. The second zero, move the decimal to the right another spot. I was moving right because of multiplication, and I moved 2 spaces because of the 2 zeros in 100. And I had to add a 0 as a filler for that second place. This gave me a product of 840. No calculator, no scratch work, mental math using the shortcut. If I wanted to do 125 thousandths times 1,000, imagine that you're starting with the decimal in the original value between the 0 and the 1. For the first 0, I'll move to the right 1 spot. The second 0, move to the right again. The third 0, move to the right again. I was moving right because of multiplication. Values get larger when we multiply by numbers above 1 whole. And I moved 3 spaces because of the 3 zeros in my power of 10. This means that my solution using mental math and the powers of 10 would be 125. No scratch work, no calculator necessary.